How to set the Hermle Tellurium. Turn the complete gear wheel carrier with the black date hand to December 20th, the winter solstice, the longest night. Please be careful that you are not touching the shifting gear and the black hand. You can turn the black hand in either direction. Turn the retainer holding the Earth globe so that the retainer is located at the opposite side of the sun. This is valid for the northern hemisphere. For the southern hemisphere, the retainer of the Earth must be between the Earth and the sun. Now turn the wheel carrier with the date hand to the actual date. Do not touch the star wheel behind the hand. Set the moon according to the actual moon phase. You will find the moon phase of the moon in your diary or calendar. If the moon is full, the silver side of the moon should face the sun. The Earth will be located between the moon and the sun. If there's a new moon, the black side of the moon should be facing the Earth. The moon behind, located just between the Earth and the sun. The moon assembly is mounted on a friction bushing, and you have to hold the big wheel underneath the Earth globe when you turn the moon around the Earth according to the present phase of the moon. If the moon is full, the silver side of the moon should face the sun. The Earth will be located between this moon and the sun. If there is a new moon, the black side of the moon should be facing the Earth. Setting the Earth. Now turn the Earth, which has a friction bushing, according to the position you are and according to the time of day. If you are living in Europe, Europe should face towards the sun during daylight hours. Be sure that the retainer of the Earth will not move anymore when you turn the globe. Now your tellurium is fully adjusted. Put the glass dome on top and the whole tellurium and place the clock in its final destination.